Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. This is Neneeys, being your skincare expert. Today I will be illustrating how to install Mesotherapy Gun to you in full details. Okay, this is my Mesotherapy Gun. If you need yours, contact me. My contact details will be down in the caption. So I'm going to be showing you the details of things that are inside of it. This is the Mesotherapy Gun engine. This is the cable. The manual, of course, we have the manual here. And this is the, let me bring it out. Needle connector. You have your syringe, you have your different heads depending on what you want to use it for. And this is the main thing here, the Meso gun. The next thing we do now is connect the Meso gun to the engine too. Then you lock it up firmly. So now we take your syringe. I've connected this. Let me remove it. This is my booster now. I'm connecting it to this needle connector. Take the other end. Sorry. To connect this to the needle. Then now you are going to install it here. You go this way, not this way. Right? Then your needle will be removed. Will fit in here. Then you on your engine from here. Then you can give it your setting the way you want it. We'll be showing that in our next video.